Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. I hope you're all doing fine. Let's move out of the way a minute. So today we have got tagliatelle. Tagliatelle with Bolognese sauce, with Bolognese, and I'll sprinkle some cheese on top as well. Normally I would mix it in, but my son's not back off his bike ride and his is still on the hob. For drink we've got some Vimto. We do. I snapped the nail, guys. I'm not giving you the middle finger. I'm just showing you. I mean, when I snapped, it literally snapped off. I was like, oh! Because obviously I'm not at work. So normally when I'm at work, I'm like, my nails are always soft, but because I'm not at work, they like went hard, like tough, you know. Oh, it hurt. It hurt. It did, it hurt. So we're going to get mixed in. We'll mix it in, because you know me. Well, you know what's about to happen. If you know, you know. And if you don't, then you should know that we're going to be putting this bad boy in, because we like a bit of this. Shake, shake. Shake it off. Shake it off. Ooh, ooh, ooh. A big old pee, 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 pee. Mix, 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 mix. I don't know if this is a good idea or bad idea, because at the minute I am having sneeze attacks. And when they happen, they happen. And I can't control them. Isn't it funny that you can never have hay fever, but then all of a sudden it'll come on? Do you want to bite, guys? Ooh, nummy. Red hot. Done perfectly. Done perfectly. So, got a message before. That just failed. Got a message before off me boss, and this is just doesn't want to play. Look at it. For Pete's sake, I'm trying to be all fancy. So yeah, I got a message before off me boss. Light at the end of the tunnel. Can't bloody wait. I'll complain once I get back, but I can't bloody wait. Just to get back to some normality. Do you know what I mean? Honestly, I literally can't wait. Like I say, I'll complain when I get back, but I can't wait. As long as customers abide by the rules and they didn't break them like they did in my dream, I'll be alright. So my dream. Well, nightmare. Like, me and one of the other girls is in the shop, and I turn around and the shop is packed. Like, back to back to back to back. No 2-meter mark. Anything like that. We're just a small shop, by the way. So, obviously, the only way we'll be able to do it on opening is like 2 customers in at a time. They were packed in the shop, so I turned around and I went, "Get out of the effing shop! It's only supposed to be 2 people in at a time. I told everybody at work. And obviously the owner was there when I said it, and he just laughed. And they went, we can't actually imagine you turning around and doing that to customers. But I could actually see myself doing that. You know, if it, honestly, I could actually imagine myself doing that, like. I bought a spoon, I bought a spoon, but I'll probably not even need it to help us twirly it up. You know, trying to be posh. So yeah. So I'm going to start the house. I've got to go through reset. Pardon me. Before I go back to work, so I've got enough time to get everything out. I have. So the plan of action is going ahead. Fresh start. For God's sake, I need to get new forks. And a bib. But yeah, I need to get new forks. Like, I wonder if the Asian food shops open over in the town. The Korean food store. I would imagine it would be, because obviously it's a food store. If Marks and Spencer's is open, can I see why them not be? Of course they gotta be, man. Because you've got like your Koreans and your Chinese people who live over the town, like the students. So it'll be open. Because I'm going to start doing challenges on my channel. Each day is going to be, obviously I post a Monday, a Wednesday and a Friday. Each day is going to be, I'm going to figure it out. But once a week I'm going to do a challenge. Once a week I'm going to do a takeaway. And once a week I'm going to do a home cooked meal. There we go. That bike is seriously getting on my nerves. I'm going to pop its freaking tires. Oh. So pleased I've done the fettuccine. Or the tagliatelle. No, it's fettuccine. What did I say at the beginning? I don't know. Yeah, honestly, I'm not hungry, guys. I'm not hungry. I thought it was 3rd year. I can't wait for a year any longer. I'm having tea. Forgot to get garlic bread. Actually, this was a last minute thing to what I made. It was. I've got more bloody mince than I have friggin' pasta. I should have done more. No, I haven't had for a while. Couscous. So, one bite, guys. I actually can't wait for. No, what I'm more excited about? The bus is coming back to normal. Seriously? It's a bloody killer when you, like, waiting an hour. It is. Yeah, I need a new fork. So, I was sitting somewhere out on the bakery before. And I went to lock the back gate after him. I couldn't go near the friggin' the gate. There was this bloody beast. I need to search it up actually. If I can find it, I'll put it in. If not, you can tell us what it is. It looked like a hybrid, right? That is the only way I can describe it. A hybrid between a bee and a wasp. It had like furry. It was furry. But it had the body of a wasp. So if anybody can tell us what the hell type of bee wasp that was, I would love to know. It was black with little, like, 3 yellow stripes across its, like, in our body, like the middle of the body, but was huge. I was like, what? I went to try and get a photo of it, and by the time I got back, the bugger had flew away. So if anybody can tell us what that was, I would love to know. And no, I don't keep my gate open. Right, unlocked. Because one, I've got a dog. 2, it's on a back alley. And 3, there's been a few, like, thefts going around. So, where people are just walking into people's gardens and taking stuff. So I'm not chancing it. You know, messages when he's on his way home. A ring. Oh, I thoroughly enjoyed that. Thoroughly enjoyed that. My hair is like one blonde. Wouldn't be surprised, like. I need to dye it. What colour should I dye it? Blue, pink, purple, red. I'm just sucking my eyes. I've just been in the shower, guys, so hence the reason no makeup as well. Oh, thoroughly enjoyed that. I did. I feel like I've hardly talked, but I was starving. No, when you're starving. So I'm going to leave it at that, guys. Thank you. I'll start that again. I just want to say thank you very much to everybody who left me lovely comments on my video on Monday. I really, really appreciate it. I do. Because this is going to go up on Friday. So hi Friday. Because I'm going to do a challenge video on Wednesday. But you would have already seen that one by now. So yeah. I'm going to leave it at that, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you would please press like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. We're nearly at 300. We could be at 300 by Friday. I don't know. Who knows? So please press like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you on the other side. Bye.